going to replace battery on that MacBook. This model is A1466. We will need Pantelope T6 and Pantelope T5 screwdrivers, which came with my battery actually in the same package. So these two screws I'm unscrewing right now, they longer, and the rest are just short screws. You'll need to put them in the same order when you put it back together. Battery replacement is pretty straightforward on this laptop. We're taking this back cover off, take all these small screws out first, and then we gonna unscrew the battery and plug it and replace it. Don't forget to shut down your laptop before doing that. Okay, almost there. Take the cover out. Forgot one screw. Okay, it's pretty big battery here, kind of 4 small batteries in unit altogether, and it's held by 5 screws as well. First we're gonna unplug the battery from the laptop. Just pull this plastic tape carefully, and then screws. Similar thing, there are 3 longer screws and 2 shorter screws. Okay, now we're taking that battery out and replacing it with a new battery I just ordered on Amazon. It actually came with screwdrivers. I'm gonna do the same process in reverse. I'm gonna set that battery in the same spot, plug it into the laptop, make sure it goes all the way in. It's not like halfway plugged in, just push it in all the way. Match screws holes. Okay. You just need a little push. Okay, let's put the screws back. So shorter screws kind of on the bottom, and longer screws on top and in the middle. Okay, short screw here. Long one. And long screw in the middle. Now we're gonna put that laptop cover back on. And we can start with 2 longer screws. reason we changed it because this laptop was kind of crashing. When it goes down to like 60% of battery life, it just shuts down. And we suspect because it's a bad battery. It's an older laptop, and but the person who has it likes it a lot, and we just want to extend its life. It's working fine otherwise, like performance. The only thing is battery. Alright, and that's it. Should be bueno.